Alright guys, so in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to fix iPhone hotspot not working. It means it's showing but it's not showing any internet. So I'll show you how you can fix it. First up, just go to settings and just go to personal hotspot. And right over here what you have to do is just basically turn this option off for 10 seconds, like allow others to join, and just make sure you wait for 10 seconds and turn it back on. And then you need to change your Wi-Fi password. Just simply type in any easy password for others to join. After that, make sure maximize compatibility is turned on, and once this is turned on, check it if it's working. If it's not working, what you can do is just go to general, scroll down a bit, press on transfer reset device, press on reset, and then press on reset network settings. Once this is done, check it again, it's gonna work. So yeah, this is it. I hope this really actually helped you out. I'll see you soon next one.